students, today we will learn how to derive the TDS equations in thermodynamics. First of all, I will like to tell that it would be better to watch my lecture on how to derive Maxwell equations in the same channel, because a basic theory in regards of mathematical relations and Maxwell equations is included in my that lecture. Okay, so before deriving the TDS equations, you have to keep in mind these three equations. First is that in case there is a function in xyz, then dz equals to del z by del x y constant dx plus del z by del y z constant dy. Okay, so for a function which is there in xyz, then always this relation is true, which is I am showing by this cursor. Second is del v by del t at constant p equals to minus del s by del p at constant t. This is Maxwell's equation associated with Gibbs equation. Okay. Third thing you should keep in mind that del p by del t at constant v is equals to del s by del v at constant t. This is Maxwell's equation associated with Helmholtz equation. All these equations are better elaborated in my lecture on Maxwell equations. This is the reason that I am directly taking these equations for further derivation of TDS equations. Now for a function in xyz, this dz equals to del z by del x y constant dx plus del z by del y z constant dy is true. Therefore for a function, suppose there is a function between entropy S, temperature T and volume V, in that case the same analogy, this analogy can be deployed. So we can write ds equals to del s by del t at constant v dt plus del s by del v at constant t dv. Now in case I am multiplying t both the sides to this equation, I am getting TDS equals to t del s by del t constant v dt plus t del s by del v constant t dv. Now we know this thing that gases are having two specific heats. One is specific heat at constant volume Cv and one is specific heat at constant pressure Cp. So let's talk about what is the specific heat at constant volume. Specific heat at constant volume Cv is the amount of heat given to the unit mass of gas to raise the temperature of the gas to 1 degree centigrade at constant volume. Means the equation would be del Q equals to Cv dt. This is the heat given to the gas at constant volume per unit mass. So we know this thing that del Q equals to TDS, because what is ds? ds is the entropy change equals to del Q by T. So T into ds is what del Q is. So in place of del Q I can write TDS. Okay, so this equation del Q equals to Cv dt is meant for heat given at constant volume. So I can also write it like this, ds by dt at constant v, since this equation is meant for constant volume, equals to Cv by T. Just I am cross multiplying and rearranging this equation which I am showing by cursor. Second thing is del s by del v at constant t equals to del p by del t at constant v. This is already here, del s by del v at constant t equals to del p by del t at constant v. This is Maxwell equation associated with Helmholtz equation. Therefore in case I am keeping this value, see over here what is there, del s by del t at constant v can be written as Cv by T, this context. Similarly del s by del v at constant t can be written as del p by del t at constant v because of Maxwell's equation associated with Helmholtz equation. Okay, so keeping those value, ultimately I am getting this expression. Now t can be cancelled out in this expression, so ultimately we are getting TDS equals to Cv dt plus t del p by del t constant v dv. This is what called as first TDS equation. That's it. Okay, second thing is same analogy which we have applied over here, which is actually based on this context. Therefore in case s is a function of t and p, then we can write ds equals to del s by del t constant p dt plus del s by del p constant t dp. Now by Maxwell's equation associated with Gibbs equation, del s by del p at constant t is equals to del v by del t constant p, but negative is there. Therefore in place of this del s by del p constant t, I can write minus del v by del t constant p. Okay, so keeping that value, ultimately I am getting ds equals to del s by del t constant p dt minus del v by del t constant p dp. Second thing is, what is heat added to a gas at constant pressure? The equation is del Q equals to Cp dt. per unit mass. This is the amount of heat added to a unit mass of gas at constant pressure. So but del Q equals to what? TdS. Okay, so in place of del Q I am writing TdS. Again del S by del T, this del Q equals to Cp dt is the heat added at constant pressure. So therefore in place of del Q I am writing TdS. So ds by dt at constant pressure equals to Cp by T. So again over here del S by del T at constant pressure can be written as Cp by T. So writing that Cp by T over here, what I am getting ultimately, TdS equals to T Cp by T. In place of del S by del T constant P, I am writing Cp by T. So TdS equals to T Cp by T dt minus T del V by del T constant P dP. So just by replacing the corresponding functions, I am ultimately getting this. So cancelling this T, ultimately I am getting TdS equals to Cp dt minus T del V by del T constant pressure P dP. This is called as second TdS equation. So this is how we can easily derive the first TdS equation and the second TdS equation. Thank you.